Itel tries their best to ensure that their devices are the most affordable in the market by cutting some corners. The A56 is no exception, priced at $60 or 20,500 naira only. What are the corners cut to make this phone available at this price point? Are there any deal breakers? Is this device even usable at this price point? In this video, I'll be sharing 3 reasons why you would probably want to buy the Itel A56, plus the pros and cons of the Itel A56. What's up guys, it's Victor here again. I will leave timestamps to various sections of this video so you can jump straight to the section that interests you the more. And guys, thank you for 500 subscriptions. Considering the fact that this channel is barely 2 months old and we are at 500, I am very grateful. I know it's very small, but for me it's a big deal and I'm super grateful. And just in case you are new here and you are also interested in this kind of content, please be sure to hit the subscribe button just below this video and turn on the post notification bell icon so that you'll be notified the next time and every other time I post a new video like this one. After using the Itel A56 for some days, I came up with a list of what I like about the phone as well as what I hate about the phone. Meanwhile, if you haven't watched my unboxing video of the Itel A56, I'll leave a link to that video just above here in the card section, so you can check that video right after this one. Let's talk about what I like about the phone. The number one thing I like about this phone would definitely be the price. Coming at about $60 or 20,500 naira, this is arguably one of the best smartphones you will get at this price point. The second thing I like about this device is the battery. The 4000 mAh battery in this phone almost made it to day 3 after a full charge with modest usage. The third favorite thing about this device is the fact that they included a polycarbonate phone case in the box to protect this device. It appears and feels kinda cheap. It's not a TPU case, yes, but it's there. It does the job and it's worth mentioning. At number 4, another good thing about the phone is the pre-installed screen protector to protect the screen of this device from scratches and cracks. The 5th pro of this phone will be the gesture navigation system they included on the phone. Although it's not yet perfect, you will see a lot of hitches, glitches and stutters here and there, resulting in a lot of frustration and depression, after which you will feel the natural urge from within you to disable it. Nobody will tell you. Once it's time to disable it, you will just know. But it's still worth noting and mentioning that they included it in the package, right? At number 6, this device runs on Android Pie Go edition. Android Go is a lightweight version of Android. It is designed for entry-level devices like this one with less storage, RAM, as well as CPU power. The configuration is designed in such a way that it can work faster on the low-end devices. With the Android Go OS, you'll be having a series of Google Go apps for better performance. It will include all the necessary and popular Android apps such as Google Assistant Go, Google Go, Google Maps Go, YouTube Go, Gboard Go, Gmail Go, Files Go, and all the other Go's that come with it. The apps are optimized so that the average app can run 15% faster on the phone. Okay, enough of the pros and down to the cons of this phone. Very quickly, at number 1, I feel the build and design of this phone are from late 2016. I must tell you, this is nostalgic. I mean, this phone is hefty and chunky at about 210 grams. This phone comes with big ugly foreheads and bezels on top and bottom. It's as if they forgot to release this phone back then in 2017. At number 2, and regretfully, the screen resolution is not even up to a standard 720p HD display. For God's sake, they went with a 480p display. The Itel A55 from last year sports a 720p HD display resolution. I wonder why they had to make such a significant downgrade on the new A56. You will definitely notice the poor display on the Itel A56. Another major downgrade is the 5MP selfie camera on the A56 against the 8MP selfie shooter on the Itel A55 from last year. But hey, I think Itel was probably trying to keep the cost of this phone very low by using a 480p panel. The third con would be the slow fingerprint reader. It takes this fingerprint reader about 2 seconds to unlock the phone, which is slow considering the quality of finger sensors in other devices out there and at this same price segment. The fourth thing I hate about this device is the placement of the loudspeaker grill. The loudspeaker grill is located at the back of this phone, which means sound coming out of this device will be blocked when placed on a flat surface. Okay, because of the price of this device, I won't talk or fret about the very low 16GB storage space and 1GB RAM. I understand this is the reason why this phone is very slow with plenty of lag and stutter. This is an entry-level phone anyway. I won't even try playing any game on this phone. The camera and audio quality of this phone aren't that bad, especially when you remember how much this device costs. Here are picture samples from the phone. And here is a video and audio sample from the Itel A56.
So because of coronavirus, you wash your hand regularly, like 3 times in a day, and you also wash your phone. You understand? Wash your phone regularly. You understand? Because of this coronavirus. So make sure you are washing your phone regularly. After washing your phone, then you go and iron it.
So finally, here are 3 reasons why I think you might consider buying the Itel A56. The first reason would be that you are on a very slim budget and money is the issue. I mean, you are broke in plain English and you just need a basic smartphone to be connected and relevant. The second reason why you might consider buying this phone is that you want to gift it to a 15-year-old in secondary or high school, or to your 70-year-old grandma in the village who has been disturbing you about joining Facebook. The third reason could be that you need a secondary phone to complement your main primary phone, or you need a phone dedicated to just answering Amaka's call. Please subscribe, like, share, and turn on the post notification bell icon so you won't miss new videos like this one. Please remember to wash your hands, use your nose and mouth masks. Stay safe, guys. I will see you when I see you in the next one.